Evening all, this is Wild Weather here for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. The special report, just tremendous severe weather taking place, as you all know. Put out this map last night as I put a blog out and concerned about the severe weather that would hit. I really thought it was going to be bad today, and let me tell you something. It's definitely come to fruition, especially for areas in Illinois, back in here, up into southern parts of Indiana, moving up into southern Ohio here. Right now, the area of eastern Kentucky and western parts of West Virginia are really under the gun, moving toward the Roanoke Valley. Nashville got slammed earlier. Reports of tornadic thunderstorms moving off to the northeast at 90 miles per hour. So this map was almost right on in terms of where we thought the high risk today would be, and it's playing out right now, right under this high risk word sign as we speak. So if you're under a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning, head to the lowest parts of your house, folks. Don't play around. If you're in a mobile home and you feel that you don't feel safe there, a mobile home is the worst place to be when you're in a tornado. So evacuate if you can, if you get enough warning. So please heed the warnings, folks. Here is look at the IntelliCast radar. Low pressure right now, right about here, moving it toward Detroit. Here's your trailing cold front. The most severe tornadic thunderstorms right now up here in Lexington and London, Kentucky, moving off to the east-northeast at about 30 to 50 miles per hour. Some of the individual cells moving off to the east and northeast at 70 miles per hour. So, if you're in eastern Tennessee, any of these supercells down here could cause tornadoes at at a moment's notice, folks. So, stay abreast of your situation. Down here in Dean Davison Country in the Roanoke, these storms are headed your way, and they will make it, and they will be severe. Some of this line may hold together and try to get to the Washington, D.C. area. Here's your warm front right now, overrunning rains. This warm front is lifting quickly off to the northeast. 45 degrees right now here in Media, Delaware County. Hop on the other side of the warm front, you're talking in the mid-70s right now out in front of this line. Mid-70s right now. Just incredible warmth moving northeast, and you can see the cold air diving in behind it off the northern branch. Your southern branch is coming up like this, your northern branch coming down. Lots and lots of dynamics coming together for quite an outbreak of severe weather. Probably looking over 50 to 100 reports of tornadoes probably after everything's said and done. No doubt about at least 100 reports of severe weather, whether it be wind, damage, hail, or tornadoes. Here is a look at the water vapor map. Let's go. It's the last 12 hours here, and you can see here's your energy diving in behind the base of the trough, and you can just see the things are just blowing up here, and here it is. The incredible moisture feed coming up from the Gulf of Mexico and off this very rich subtropical jet coming screaming in from the southern Pacific here. Just a perfect situation, perfect mix of dynamics, shear, you name it, coming together for quite a tornado outbreak. Here's from the National Weather Service and NOAA. Anywhere where there's yellows or tornado watches, the warnings are in red, and oranges here, severe thunderstorm warnings. Let's go into eastern Kentucky here. West Liberty, London, these areas out here, it's just south and east of the Lexington, Kentucky area, really getting hammered right now. So any of these thunderstorms are fair game for producing tornadoes, and large ones at that. Probably EF1 to 4 tornadoes, folks. Nothing to play around with for sure. Let's go to the weather map right here. Low pressure, again, heading toward Detroit. Warm front snaking its way down into the Shenandoah Valley. This will lift quickly off to the northeast, sending the thunderstorms here in eastern Kentucky up into West Virginia, southern Ohio, moving toward Roanoke, and toward the central Virginia area. Most of the best dynamics for severe weather are right here in the triple point here between the cold front and the warm front and low pressure moving out. This area of high risk severe weather will move over into western Virginia, maybe southwestern Pennsylvania, and also western Virginia Roanoke Valley, so get ready. Down in here, again, possible severe thunderstorms and more tornadoes possible down here. Get some energy right here along this frontal boundary, may cause a few spin-ups. In any case, strong, very strong jet stream coming in aloft from the subtropical jet can cause wind damage as the storms tap into that very strong jet. thunderstorms again. Some of them moving off to the east-northeast at 70 to 90 miles per hour. Just amazing. All right, you're out there, folks. Be very careful tonight. This is the Live Weather Blog's wild weather here with just a wild night of weather. Stay safe.